In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a safety net for your ad spend with Facebook. Because sometimes as you manage multiple campaigns and possibly multiple ad accounts, it's easy to lose track on what you're spending on, and this has led to quite some cases where people spend more than they intended, or with an unchecked spending, they max out their credit cards. So this would be fantastic for you to set some kind of security in place. And the other reason would be just in case of a minuscule chance that your ad account had got hacked, this would be the maximum that you would so-called lose. Okay, so what you're looking at right now is the payment settings, and as you can see that this account we have set up the account spending limit. But let's just rewind back a little bit on how we arrive at a page like this. So what you want to do is that when you log into your business account for Facebook, you want to go to the top left menu and head down to billing. So this is the page where Facebook will send you all the invoices for every time you do an ad spend or a billing, but we're not going to stop here. So what you want to do is you want to go to the top right and click on payment settings. And we'll arrive at this familiar page. Now, by default, if your account is brand new, you're going to see that there's no account spending limit, and that's exactly what we're going to do. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to click on change, and we can put in any amount that you want. So this account's currency is in US dollars, and currently this is set to 300 USD, and I'll click on update limit. So what happens is that after an ad spend of 300 US dollars, the account will stop spending. And for me to continue spending, I would either A, click on the reset button, which is what I should be doing anyway. All right, I'll click on reset, and I'm going to confirm that. And this allows me to continue spending with the ad account again, or I can also click on change and increase it to a higher limit, let's say 500 US dollars. So this is totally up to you. There's no so-called magic number. But as a rule of thumb, you don't want to put such a low amount, such as like $10 or $20. Otherwise, you have to keep coming back here and reset the ad spend at $5 to $10 or $20 for that matter. So you want to set up something a little bit higher, like a few $100s for beginners. And if you're spending a lot by the day, then obviously you want to increase your ad account spending limit. So that's really all there is to it. And if you want to remove this limit for whatever the reason, you can click on remove. And we're back to the default. So with that said, I'm just going to change this back to $300 because that was the intended spending limit for this account. And there we go. We have just set up a security net in place for your ad spend with your credit card or debit card for that matter.